Hello little learners, welcome back to Peek and Discover, the fun place where we learn something new every day. In today's exciting video, we are going to learn the alphabets from A to Z. We will say each letter together and learn some fun words that begin with those letters. Are you ready to sing, learn and have fun? Let's get started. A. A is for apple. B. B is for ball. C. C is for cup. D. D is for dog. E is for elephant. F. F is for fish. G. G is for girl. H. H is for horse. I. I is for igloo. J. J is for jug. K. K is for kite. L. L is for lemon. M. M is for monkey. N. N is for nose. O. O is for orange. P. P is for piano. Q. Q is for queen. R. R is for ring. S. S is for sun. T. T is for train. U. U is for umbrella. V. V is for van. W. W is for water. X. X is for xylophone. Y. Y is for yo-yo. Z. Z is for zoo. Great job, little learners. Today we'll learn the alphabets from A to Z. Keep practicing your letters and try to find things around you at home. Let's start with each alphabet. Thank you for watching Peek and Discover. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye kids. See you in the next video.